Look at these motion graphics. It seems like they were made in After Effects, but no, I made them on my phone, and today I'll show you how to make them too. By the end of this video, you'll learn two powerful effects, glass morphism and camera movement. Just follow the steps carefully, don't skip any. Open your editing app. Now let's create the base. Set the duration to 6 seconds. Go to vector drawing. Draw a curvy shape like a wave. Then add the wave wrap effect, and adjust the setting like this. And then add 2 keyframes. It'll start moving smoothly. Now duplicate it. Make it smaller and place it in another spot. This adds depth to your design. Now it's time for the glass morphism effect. Draw a rectangle. Add these effects, copy background and Gaussian blur. You can also add inner blur if you want. Now duplicate the rectangle. Remove all the effects from the new one. Set the color to light or white. Then add a white stroke or border. Your glass effect is ready. Now let's add the text. Use a clean font like Poppins. Write anything like viral motion graphic. Now add text spacing and text transform effects. These settings make your text look more modern and clean. Now for the final step, camera movement. Animate it like this. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe.